Sapphie, what was that?
She doesn't want you to work.
Sapphie, I have to work.
Attention.
Sapphie,
Attention.
I have to finish my work.
Feed me.
Sapphie, your food is sitting out there. You should eat your own dinner.
Angry.
You should eat your dinner.
Bitch.
Sapphie, where are
In
you?
here.
Sapphie, where are you?
Bitch.
Sapphie, I can't find you. Where'd you go? Sapphie! Sapphie! Sapphie, where are you?
Bitch. Look at me.
Sapphie! Where are you?
Stop working. Bitch.
Sapphie. I'm trying to work. Let me finish my work.
Can we teach baby what this is? Can you teach baby what this is? Can you pick one and tell baby what it is? Which one is it?
Oh.
Good job, Sapphie. Good job. All right. This is you. Can you tell baby what this is? Can you pick one? Which one is it?
Dog.
Good job, Sapphie. I'm so proud of you. All right, last one. Can you teach baby what this one is?
Tree.
Good job, Sapphie.
Hey, Sapphie, can you go ask Mommy to get some toilet paper for me, please?
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper? Who needs toilet paper, Sapphie?
Daddy.
Okay, I'll get it in 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm getting it. Give me 1 second.
Daddy. Emergency.
Okay. I'm getting it.
Sapphie, did you go ask Mommy to get the toilet paper? Sapphie.
No.
Wait, Sapphie, why didn't you ask her? I need toilet paper. Can you go ask her?
Bitch.
What?
Sapphie, tummy time. Good girl. You guys are both doing tummy time. Sapphie. Hey, Sapphie, music. Thank you. Hey, Sapphie, can you comfort your brother? Can you comfort your brother? That's so sweet of you. Can you do it again? Can you comfort him? Oh, what is she? What is happening?
Attention. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Attention.
Sapphie, can you check if B pooped? Can you check if he pooped? Did he poop?
B.
What did B do? Did he poop?
B.
Did he poop at all?
Change diaper.
Oh, can you change his diaper? Okay. Oh, you're right. All right, thanks, Sapphie.
Let's play a game. Who do you love the most? Can you go tell us? Aw, okay. That's sweet. Okay, who is more annoying? Mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Okay, that's fair. Okay, who is funnier? Mommy or daddy?
She thinks it's herself.
Oh. Sapphie, what do you want to say to everyone on Valentine's Day?
I'm single. Bitch. Be mine.
Oh.
Happy Valentine's Day, bitch.
Wow. Okay, happy Valentine's Day.
Sapphy, you can't eat this. I already gave you your breakfast. You should eat that.
Share.
Sapphy, eat your breakfast first.
Bitch. Oh no, she didn't. I'm coming over. Bitch. Bye.
You like what? you like watching Sapphie?
Go get it. Where'd he go? Sapphy, go get it. Where'd he go? I don't have it.
Bitch.
Why?
Bitch.
I threw it over there. Go get the toy.
No. Bitch.
Sapphy, what's up? Why'd you call?
Come home. Bitch.
Sapphy, I'm on call today. Hey, Sapphy, I'm gonna hug mommy.
Stop.
What? What did I
She
do?
doesn't want you to hug me.
What did I do? I'm just hugging her.
She's mine.
She's yours? Well, she's mine too. Sapphy.
Bitch.
Sapphy, I have a surprise for you. Who's that?
Get out the way.
Oh my god.
She's back. Attention.
Sapphy, what do you mean? I gotta take a nap. Who wants attention? B wants attention? How did he even ask you? How do you even know? Did you just share with Sapphy? Hey! Sapphy, these toys are completely ripped. This one's broken. I'm throwing them away. Okay?
Bitch.
What was that for?
Stop.
Sapphy, they're ripped up.
Bitch. Give it back.
Sapphy, you always eat these, especially when they're all ripped up. I can't give it back to you.
Give it back.
Sapphy.
Bitch.
Pretend to fall asleep with cheese in your hand.
Bitch. Bitch. Please. Bitch. Give me. Give me.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
Do you just want to make peanut butter jelly sandwiches?
Do you think she heard us?
After all that, that's how you get to this end.
Who cares?
Sapphy, I've been going over this problem for an hour.
Finally.
happiest year of my life.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Ooh. So wake me up when they build that time machine.
Welcome to Planet Earth Dog Edition. Here we have the rarest species in the world. This species is not only very active, but also very, very dangerous. Watch her attack a baby elephant. They are also very effective at foraging for food with a simple stare. Absolutely brilliant.
What would happen if I gave her a treat? What if she gets no treat? Sounds like a no-brainer. Alright, Sapphie, I'm gonna ask you some questions about B's future, okay? Are you gonna allow him to be mean to people? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Are you gonna help him sneak out? Yes or no? Yes. Are you gonna be his wing woman?
Yes.
Aww. You're gonna cuddle with him when he's sad? Yes or no? Are you gonna cuddle with him?
Yes.
Aww. That's... Hey babe, can you toss me some socks from upstairs?
Here.
Sapphie, I have a serious question for you. Who pooped in the house?
I didn't do it.
Do you think mommy and daddy are running around pooping on the floor? Bring out the treats. Now, did you or did you not poop in the house?
I'm no snitch.
Son of a... Hey, what are you doing? Who is that? You're too young for this.
Hey, Sapphie, what are you going to get me for Christmas this year?
Me, bitch.
Yes, I have you.
Delivery's here? Already?
Here.
The pizza's here? How do you know?
Here. Delivery.
How do you know it's here? Oh. Wow, okay. Oh, it's here. Good job, Sapphie. Customer service.
Hi. Return treats.
You like to return treats? What's your order number?
5, bitch.
5 is not a valid order number. I'm going to need another one.
Bitch.
Excuse me?
Hey, Sapphie, can you comfort your brother? Can you comfort your brother? That's so sweet of you. Can you do it again? Can you comfort him?
I'd like to return some dog toys. Okay. My order number is 57243. I didn't even get to finish my order number. Why are you telling me to hold? What? Aren't you supposed to be helping me? Why do you keep telling me to hold? No. Who are you?
Hey, Sapphie, can you comfort your brother? What do you want to tell him?
I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. You're there.
Excuse you. Excuse you. Excuse you.
Copy your dog and see how they react.
Attention. Attention. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Attention. Attention. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Attention. Attention. Stop copying. Stop copying. Stop copying me. Attention. 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 Hi. Hi.
Welcome to the day in the life of Sapphie. Sapphie wakes Daddy up with some kisses. We open the window so she can take in the view. She watches Baby get fed and have his diaper changed. And then she darts out the room because she knows she's going to get a greenie. She takes the greenie into her little corner and eats it. And then it's time for her to go outside in the yard. She does her business, followed by the infamous butt scoot. Now it's time to come inside and devour her yummy breakfast. She spends time with Baby. We take him out to the park and go for a nice long walk. She sits in her favorite spot to soak in the view. Baby feeds again, and then we'll either take a small nap or work or make some content if Sapphie's in the mood. Then somewhere around this time are the epic Sapphie Zoomies. With more baby naps and feeds in between, there is a lot of snacking, music, fun, and dancing. Her favorite is story time with Baby. She always wants to play fetch before the baby's last feed. Once the baby sleeps, she gets a nice massage to end the day. Can you calm down? Show everyone what you do when you don't get a treat. Show them. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Hey, Sapphie, go fetch.
You get it.
What?
Bitch.
Sapphie?
No.
I don't have it.
Where is it?
I don't have it,
Where
Sapphie.
is it?
Sapphie, I don't have it.
Where is it?
I don't have it. I don't know where it went. I threw it over there.
Seriously?
I threw it over there. Go find it.
Where is it?
Go find it. I threw it over there.
Bitch.
How's your vacation going?
Good.
Well, that's good. When are you coming back?
Never, never. Bye, bitch. Bitch.
Hey, Sapphie, can you go make sure Daddy does all the chores, please? Go. Hey, Sapphie, can you spin the wheel? Can you spin it properly? All right, let's see what we get. ADHD.
Only medication can manage ADHD symptoms effectively. True or false? That's actually correct. Good job. True or false? Boys are about 3 times more likely to be diagnosed with ADHD compared to girls.
True.
That's actually correct. Good job. Aw. True or false? ADHD symptoms are visible from early childhood. You guys are both correct. Good job. True or false? People with ADHD cannot focus on any task. Mommy's correct. They may have difficulty focusing, but can often focus very well on tasks they find interesting. ADHD is a behavioral disorder that only affects children. True or false? It's actually false. Sapphie, you can't change your answer. Mommy's correct. Game face on. The United States has one of the highest rates of ADHD diagnosis in the world. True or false?
True.
That's right. Good
Sapphie,
job.
good job. High five.
Aw. True or false? ADHD symptoms include inattentiveness, hyperactivity, and impulsiveness.
True.
That's right. Good job. True or false? People with ADHD have a lower IQ than those without. Sapphie, you copied Mommy, but IQ is not necessarily affected by ADHD. And Mommy wins.
Hey, Sapphie, can you give me a hug? Give me a hug.
Aww.
Hi. You're snitch.
What do you think?
Faster, bitch.
Oh. Sapphie, I'm ordering groceries from the grocery store. Do you want anything? Do you want anything from the grocery store? I'm ordering online.
More treats.
You want more treats? Okay, I can get you more treats. Do you want anything else?
Bitch, no.
Okay.
Let's normalize being okay with letting people think whatever they want about you. Our mental health, peace, and happiness is more important than the opinions, perceptions, and acceptance of other people. Not everyone is going to like us. Not everyone is going to validate us. Not everyone is going to approve of us, and that is okay.
Dr. Gonzalez, nice to meet you.
Help. I'm sick.
You sick?
I'm sick.
What's going on?
Help. Diarrhea.
Ooh, diarrhea. The bubble guts? Well, we got options for you. With Dutch, we can actually send medications your way. We can even do a fecal exam so we can check to see if there's anything going on. I'll send you all the information and you can order the prescriptions from us. We can ship them to you. We also price match if you find them cheaper. And I want us to touch base again in about 2 weeks.
Hey. Hey.
Sapphy, what are you doing? Daddy's on his computer.
Hey. Hey.
She's like, pay attention to me, Daddy.
Stop working. Bitch.
Sapphy. I'm trying to work. Let me finish my work.
What are you doing? Daddy's on his computer.
What was that? Sapphy, what was that?
She doesn't want you to work.
Sapphy, I have to work.
Attention.
Sapphy,
Attention.
I have to finish my work.
Think I like this little life. Think I like this little life. The reality of social media. What is happening when we scroll aimlessly through this vast convolution of other people's lives? We start comparing ourselves, wanting to be or do what everyone else is, yet we are all just the same. None of us have it figured out. It just looks like we have it figured out because there's a filter for that. The thing about social media, sometimes it makes me happy that I get to share certain milestones or accomplishments with friends or families. I want to create memories and look back and reminisce and be reminded of those memories. Sometimes it makes me sad because it is so easy to compare ourselves to the lives of others and what they choose to post. It can get mentally exhausting because comparison is the killer of all joy. We don't know what goes on behind the scenes. We just see the end result, which to an unaided eye can be easily perceived as a spontaneous moment in time rather than what it really is, an edited fabrication of life. We truly forget to sometimes live in the moment. Sometimes it gives me hope because it shows me a glimpse of a better reality, full of babies being born, people being saved, and people expressing their love. It keeps me connected to the world and the people in it. Sometimes it reminds me to appreciate the important people and things in my life. One inspirational video can push me to buy a book. One post about parents can prompt me to call my own. One message from a friend reminds me to stay in touch with others. One post can motivate me and make my life and day a little bit better. When I see everyone doing big things, taking on opportunities, or doing whatever it is they want to do, something meaningful, it truly inspires me. It encourages me because I get to see them fulfilling their dreams in this extraordinary life. Just make sure that you start living your life for yourself and not the acceptance of others, because you have so much to offer this world and you don't need the acceptance from social media to prove that to you.
Excuse me. Move. Move.
And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it? Love is mine, all mine. I love mine.
Alright, so today's topic is, does pineapple belong on pizza? And Sapphie is going to settle this for us, okay? She's going to pick a winner at the end.
Okay.
Does pineapple belong on pizza?
Absolutely not.
Pineapple definitely belongs on pizza.
Okay, why?
You get sweet, you get savory, it's a nice and balanced
Is that
kind of
is that the only reason?
flavor. What do you mean is that the only reason?
Because look, tomato sauce is already acidic. Pineapple is acidic as well. And you add two acidic things and you get an upset stomach Do you want me to like burp and fart on you all day?
No, I don't want that, but I don't think that that's
Okay,
the primary
well-
argument on why
Okay,
it shouldn't belong on pizza.
Also, pineapples are soggy, so you add pineapples as the topping, your whole pizza is just gonna be ruined.
I'm
It's gonna be all
pretty sure
soggy.
the
Do you
pizza-
want a soggy pizza?
I'm pretty sure the pizzas we've eaten with pineapples on it were fine, okay? So, I think that you need a balance of flavors, so you have sweet and savory, so you don't even need dessert afterwards. You can buy one less thing, okay?
Okay, who's your favorite chef that you watch every day?
What, Gordon Ramsay?
Yeah, so he thinks that pineapples do not belong on pizza.
I don't care, okay?
Well, so
it
you
tastes
don't,
good.
So you don't care about Gordon Ramsay?
What do you mean? What does that even, like, that doesn't even matter.
Okay, fine. Sapphy, who won this debate, mommy or daddy? Can you pick one?
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy.
What? You don't have to click it twice, okay?
What?
What?
Yeah, that's not. You don't pour the milk first. You pour the cereal
You
first.
definitely pour the milk first.
No.
You
You're
pour the milk
No,
first.
you don't. Ask anyone. You pour cereal and then you pour the milk.
No. You pour milk first, then the cereal.
No.
So you put your set amount of milk and then you put the cereal.
No, you put your set amount of cereal and then you pour the milk.
No, I don't agree with that.
No. How dare you?
Yeah. She definitely does not agree with you either.
Get up, bitch. Try harder, bitch.
Sapphy, I just started the warm-up. Just give me a second.
Try harder. Bitch.
Some people love Valentine's Day when they have someone to share it with, and some people hate it because they don't. But the thing to remember most on every Valentine's Day is that you are the most important love of your life.
Hey, Sapphy, can you go find out if Daddy made any plans for Valentine's Day? Go.
Lazy bitch.
What was that for?
I've waited 100 years, and I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth.
Get to the point, bitch. Ask me out, bitch.
Alright, Sapphy, we're going to do Super Bowl predictions, okay? Who's going to score the first touchdown, Chiefs or 49ers? Can you pick one?
49ers.
Okay. Who is going to score the last touchdown, Chiefs or 49ers? Can you pick one?
Chiefs.
Okay. Who's going to have more total yards?
Chiefs.
Okay. Who's going to win the Super Bowl, Chiefs or 49ers? Sapphy,
Chiefs.
Chiefs are going to win the Super Bowl? No. We like the 49ers.
Chiefs. Stop copying me.
Sapphie, do you want to go for a walk? Sapphie, do you want a treat? Sapphie, do you want a blueberry?
Hey, Sapphie, can you go find out when Daddy's gonna be done with work? Go. Can you spin the wheel? All right, let's see what we get. Schizophrenia. Smoking can worsen schizophrenia symptoms. Good job, you guys.
High five. Yeah.
Hallucinations are a common symptom of schizophrenia. Ooh, that's wrong, Sapphie. Daddy's right, it's true. People with schizophrenia are usually violent. True or false? Good job, you guys. Schizophrenia affects about 0.5% of the global population. Is that true or false? Good job, Sapphy's right. It affects about 1% of the population. People with schizophrenia cannot lead productive lives. Good job, you guys. Many people with schizophrenia can lead productive and fulfilling lives. Schizophrenia leads to a split personality. True or false? Good job, you guys.
High five, Sapphie.
She doesn't want to high five you. Schizophrenia is a very rare mental disorder. True or false? Good job! Sapphie wins! Schizophrenia is relatively common and affects 1% of the population. Sapphie wins!
Mommy not feeling well? Can you cuddle with her? Oh, you cuddling with her?
Hi. Are you putting my hand on your heart?
Treat. Treat. Treat.